In this video, I will show you how to click a button on a web page in Google Chrome using the Python library Selenium. To start, I import the WebDriver from Selenium and initiate a Chrome browser with the Chrome method of my WebDriver object. I assign that object to the driver variable. Executed, a new Chrome window opens. It may open on a different monitor, so I'll drag it over and adjust the size for the demonstration. I will also open the element selector and move it below the window to see what's on the page. Let's navigate to a page that has a simple button we can click. I'll use the Selenium documentation site. I'll scroll down to the Quick Search area. There's a text box labeled Quick Search with a Go button next to it. I'll right-click the Go button and choose Inspect. DevTools highlights the element and shows attributes like type equals submit and a value of Go. To click a button with Python, I first need to isolate it. I can use the driver's findElement method to do that. Its first argument is what we are using to find what we need. Here we want to find the element by a CSS selector, because that's what we found with the DevTools. The second is the value of our object. I'm stating we want to find an input element with these attributes. The attributes are contained in these square brackets. The type of button is submit, and its value is Go. The findElement method of the driver returns a single object based on our search. We successfully captured a web element in our variable. Before clicking it, I'll type something into the search box so the click does something visible on the page. You can do this with Python, of course, and I cover that in another video that you can view by clicking the link at the top or in the descriptions. But for now, I will just type in find elements. Watch the page update after I run this code and activate the click. There, you can see the results page of our search with a page loaded of all the matches for find elements. That's all there is to it. Find the button with the findElement method and call the click method on it. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments if this was a helpful video. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe so you know when the next video drops.